Noah for After Six Cocktails, and today we're going to make a last word. The last word was invented in 1915, and it is known for being quite sour. In fact, that it uses citrus juice, such as specifically here lime juice is the citrus juice. It also uses the green chartreuse here, which is known for having a very distinct flavor, as I should say, and it also, to some people, it makes them pull a certain facial expression as a reaction to the certain flavor. It is mainly a gin-based drink, which I'm using Beefeater here. It also calls for a maraschino liqueur. I'm using the Luxardo maraschino liqueur. The recipe I'm using comes from the website postprohibition.com, which is a resource for all cocktails from around the Prohibition era and after it. To make a last word, you're going to want to place 3/4 ounce of lime juice. Three-quarters of an ounce of gin. I'm using Beefeater here. Three-quarters of an ounce of maraschino liqueur. And 3/4 of an ounce of green chartreuse. Pop that in a shaker. Now that the drink has been shaken in the shaker with ice, you can strain it into a cocktail glass. Ugh. That chartreuse is strong. Yeah, no, this really isn't for me. The chartreuse flavor is way too heavy.